Today is Wednesday, the 11th day of June 2025. Good evening, thanks for joining me in this video. The Federal Commissioner representing Imo State in the Niger Delta Development Commission, Mr. Cries Uchegbu, is urging the Imonites, the people of Imo, to arm themselves by forming vigilante group and other security outfits to curb the influence of the Fulani terrorists who have been slaughtering Igbos in Imo State for over 3 weeks now. There were 3 consecutive attacks in 2 weeks ago, and a lot of people have been killed. Now, because of the killings from across the country, if something is happening in any way again, people don't normally take it serious. So it is not like an emergency or important case, even when people are dying. Why? Because it is like that all over the country. But what happened yesterday caught people's attention because a pregnant woman was shot. A pregnant woman, and from the information I got, this lady is almost 6 months pregnant. She was shot by the Fulani terrorists, and up to now we have not even know whether she survived the gunshot or not. And her name is Joy Osita Achugwo. They told us that after the shot that they took her to the hospital, that she's still receiving treatment. We don't know where she was shot, but the local government chairman confirmed it that so many people were killed and a pregnant woman was shot. Now, you see, I will not too much blame the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, because time without number, he told everyone that the insecurity in Imo State is being carried out by bandits and by politicians, that there are 2 waves of insecurity in Imo State. Hope Uzodinma have said this countless times. I am not his fan, but I like when someone comes out to say the truth, because that will make you to know where to channel your energies to. He said that some wicked politicians playing politics of bitterness are sponsoring thugs to kill people. He also said that he did not mention Fulani. He said bandits. This was his exact statement he made. He was naming people who are terrorizing Imo State on channels television. Now, what transpired day before yesterday, as you can see in this article, breaking: armed herdsmen attack Imo State communities, killed several residents, injured pregnant woman. You get it? Now, let us understand step by step what transpired. I will break it down for you. It reads that suspected armed herdsmen have attacked Agwa and other communities in Oguta, local government area of Imo State, leaving several people dead and many others injured. Out of the article. If you know Imo State, you know where Imo State is situated. When you hear that a state is a landlocked state, Imo State is an example. Because among the whole southeast, Imo State is at the middle, bordering other states. But ask me, if Fulani terrorists are now in Imo State killing people like this, last 3 weeks, last 2 weeks, last week, this week again they have started, if they have laid siege in Imo State like this, there is no place in the southeast that is safe. Because where do they pass to enter Imo State for the first time? That is the question. And you will recall that Enugu is not safe as well. Ebonyi is not safe. Is it Anambra that is safe? So, this is a call. It's an awakening call. The Federal Commissioner, representing Imo State in the Niger Delta Commission, is telling the Imo people, form vigilante and carry arms. But I still have a lot of questions to ask. People who are carrying arms are being detained in Benue. If you defend yourself against the killer herdsmen, Supreme Court just sentenced Sunday Jackson to death for defending himself. So, what happens to the ESN Nnamdi Kanu form? These are the reasons why he formed it. But today, DSS are masking themselves, whether they are DSS or pay agent, we don't know. They are masking themselves, coming to court to say that the ESN is not recognized. And the real people are dying, while people who are playing politics with human lives. All right, let's continue with what this article reads. Among the victims is a pregnant woman, Joy Osita Achugwo, who was shot by the herdsmen and is currently battling for survival in a hospital, SaharaReporters has learned. You see, the killing of the natal children and unborn children is one of the most, attacks that always breaks my heart. Because these people don't They don't understand, they don't hear the news, they can't defend themselves, so they are vulnerable. So anytime I hear that little children were attacked or pregnant women, I feel so bad about it. Now, the article continues that the attack has sparked widespread outrage and condemnation, with many calling for urgent action to protect the lives of innocent citizens. So, Imo State people are now calling for the protection of their lives. Wow. And I learned that, the federal government of Nigeria, in collaboration with the Imo State governor, sent delegates to Finland to testify against Simon Ekpa in the court. And the evidence they said they have is that they want to testify that Simon Ekpa is responsible for the insecurity in the southeast. The question I'm asking, the insecurity in the southeast as I speak to you now and before, which one is even greater than? Which one is more serious than? Communities have been taken every day in Igbo land? No. All right, let me continue with the article. It reads that the chairman of the Oguta local government area, Ifeanyi Nnamdi, who visited the survivors on Tuesday, reportedly condemned the barbaric attack in the strongest possible terms. And this is what he said in quote, "The gruesome killing of innocent people who were attacked in their own homes and farms is a clear indication of the insecurity in our state," Nnamdi said. Now, if this is an indication of the insecurity in your state, then why then do you people label Biafra agitators that they are the causes of the insecurity in your state? I warn this time without number that anytime you are pointing the wrong finger, the person who is really doing it will have more muscles to continue to do it. And that is exactly what is happening. It continues that Nnamdi commiserated with the victims and their families, assuring them that the leadership of the local government area is committed to ensuring the peace and the tranquility returns to Agua clan. I pray he will do so. Now he said, "We will do everything possible to ensure that those responsible for these attacks are brought to justice," he said. That is a political statement, okay? No, none of them are serious, because seriousness is not in the press briefing. If you are serious about insecurity, we should see it in your actions. SaharaReporters reports that the attack comes less than 48 hours after a similar incident in Enugu State, where suspected Fulani herdsmen killed 4 local farmers in Mbuji, Ehamofu Autonomous, in a brutal attack. The incident has raised concerns about the growing insecurity in the country and the need for urgent actions to protect the lives of citizens. Meanwhile, the Federal Commissioner representing Imo State in the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC), Kanu, has advised the locals to form strong vigilante groups to protect their communities. And this is what he said in quote, "We need to work together to ensure that our communities are safe and secure," Uchegbu said. The attack has left many in shock and outrage, with many calling for urgent action to protect the lives of innocent citizens. "This is a clear case of terrorism," said one resident who wished to remain anonymous. "We need the government to take action to protect us from this attack." And this is one of the most miserable comments from Nigerians who are still to understand that what is going on right now, the government hand is involved. So, someone who is killing you cannot save you. It's simple as that. Now, second to the last paragraph of the article, it says that the Imo State Police Command has yet to issue an official statement regarding the recent attack on Agua community in Oguta local government area. Efforts to reach the command spokesperson DSP Henry Okoye for comments were unsuccessful, as he did not respond to call or text message. This is the end of the article. Now, time will come, people will look for who will save them. Time will come, people will look for who will save them. Unfortunately, they will not see. Unfortunately, they will not see who will save them. Time will come, a lot of people will look for who will defend them in this country. They will not see. It's not a cause. It's when you study the trend, what is going on now. Try to study it, try to understand what is happening. You will know that time is coming. It's fast approaching. People will not see who will save them. But those communities who really understand what is going on, who are preparing, who are fighting back, who are also killing all these terrorists, will be victorious. They will protect themselves. But people who are hoping on government will be wiped out of this earth. It's not a cause. It's tracking the incident that has been happening. It is what it is. Nigeria can never be sustainable.